World Ocean Day means a lot to me because it's just the most peaceful place that I can find on this planet. When I go under the water, everything is just quiet for a minute. Hi, my name's Jenna Boerst. I'm an alumni here at Flagler College. I studied digital media production and journalism. During my time at Flagler, I spent a lot of time in environmental protection and conservation, and I mainly focused on underwater storytelling. Shark conservation has been something that I really focused on. Actually, within my first production class, I had made a shorter shark documentary, and that's where I discovered the issue that sharks were facing regarding conservation, and I made this film, and it just kind of sparked a passion with me. One misconception that is really tough to continually hear be told by media and people is the shark-infested waters. Hate that title because it's not in shark-infested waters. It's their home. A healthy reef, a healthy ocean has a healthy shark population. World Ocean Day is just an amazing day, an opportunity to continue to advocate for the protections of our oceans and enjoy that beautiful place that we have in hopes that it will be flourishing for years to come.